Caleb, why are we in Scout uniform on a Saturday morning? Like, it's so unusual, isn't it? Is it nuts? What's a nut? Nuts! Sarah, are you with us? Have you got your mouth full of food? It's a perfect time to ask you questions, isn't it? Welcome to the Rietvlei Nature Reserve. Say hello, Sarah, Caleb.
Hi. Here are the meerkats.
Look at that! Last time we were here,
Yeah, where am I?
we took photos of us. Look at that! They took photos of us. They stuck. I'm guessing that's you, Sarah. That one over there. Only your hat's in it. Imagine that! Isn't that cool? Yeah, that's it. It looks a bit big to be a daycare, but it could be.
What is that?
Daycapoo.
Look at the box.
Here's the sign. It says start. Trail starts.
Trail start.
Yeah. We're going straight. We're going straight. Follow the... What's on the map?
Yeah. What is this?
Daycare.
Is that that? We should go this way. Yeah, I'm like one too.
Oh, because it might be good for them to eat, but not good for you to eat. So you don't know, hey? Put.
Oh! My knee is way too short.
It doesn't just say end, it says trail end. Are you looking forward to sitting in the car, Caleb?
Yes. That's why if we went the shortcut, we could already be on the road.